Hello everybody. Today let's make raisins at home. These dry grapes are very nutritious and full of vitamins, lot of fiber to it. So definitely these are very healthy, and it is also said that every day if we eat one handful of mixed dry fruits, it is always good for our health. So the procedure is simple, as I already mentioned. It will not take more than 5 minutes. First let's take grapes, let's wash it neatly and keep it aside in the plate. I'm doing with the green ones. You can do the same with black grapes also. So water on stove. Once it comes to boil, let's add our grapes to this boiling water. And please note, once we add grapes to the boiling water, just take it out within 2 minutes of time. Not more than 2 minutes, exactly 2 minutes is enough. So in this procedure, please ensure that in case if we keep it more than 2 minutes, the grapes will break and also the skin will come out. So please ensure you take it out in 2 minutes time. So the benefit of this particular procedure is one, the grape will get little softened, and if there are any chemicals, then that also will be washed. See, it should be something like this. It still look fresh. The skin is not out. So exactly 2 minutes, as I mentioned, this is very important in this entire procedure. After 2 minutes, just spread it on a cotton cloth, so that if there is any extra moisture, that will get cleaned neatly. Just spread it on a cotton cloth and don't press it too much, grapes may break. Once this is done, we can add this to a plate wherever it is comfortable, and we need to sun dry these grapes. See, I just kept it in the sun and I'm closing it with the same cotton cloth so that there will be no dust and all. At the same time, please ensure don't put thick cloth, just a light cotton cloth is enough. See, this is after first day. I'll show you every day how it looks. This is after first day. This is how it is. And this is after second day. 50% it is done. Now grapes are turning into raisins. Now this is last day, third day. 3 days is enough. If we keep in the sun for 3 days, our raisins will be ready. See, it is so fresh, and obviously it will be very tasty. We can store this in the airtight container or a Ziploc bag, and you can leave this in the refrigerator, and this will stay fresh for good 1 year. So please do try this. As I mentioned, extremely simple and easy procedure. Season for grapes, maybe I just did it in a small quantity. Maybe we can do about 2 to 3 kgs and we can store it in the fridge. I hope you all like this video. Please do share it with your friends, your family, and in case if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel Healthy Plate by Madhavi. I will show you quick, easy and healthy recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.